Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This Sensodyne Pronamel Mineral Boost Toothpaste is, for me, a must-have to care for my sensitive teeth. I love all of its features, especially the fact that it's a sensitivity toothpaste and enamel protection toothpaste. The peppermint flavor is so nice. It's subtle, it's not overwhelming, and it also includes whitening, but it's very gentle. I even love the fact that it stands on the cap, so it takes up less space in my cabinet. And getting a 3-pack makes it nice to stay well stocked. I love the flavor and the effectiveness of this Sensodyne Pronamel Mineral Boost toothpaste. And that's my point of view.